Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account step by step, quick and easy. We start by opening the TikTok application, then go to the profile, then tap on the top right corner, then press setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy section, press account, then select deactivate or delete account at the very bottom. Here there will be two options. If you just want to leave TikTok temporarily, you can choose deactivate account. And if you want to permanently delete your account, you can choose delete account permanently, and you still have chance to recover this account you have deleted within 30 days after you delete it. And in this case, we will choose delete account permanently. Next, you can choose the reason why you want to delete your TikTok account, or you can skip directly to the top. Before proceeding with the deletion, you can download your TikTok data by pressing download request. And to continue, you can first tick the circle at the bottom, then press continue. Press continue again. And the last step is you need to enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone or to your email you have. After entering the code, press delete account, then press delete again. At this point, your TikTok account has been successfully deleted.